one wig that I will always wear is a bob. I don't know. It's something about a bob. It's such a timeless, classic look. And it's summertime, so it's the perfect time to pull one out. It's always easy to throw one on and go about your business while still looking chic. So let me show you guys the unit I'm reviewing today. It's from My First Wig. Who else? I love My First Wig bobs. You guys know I reviewed a lot of their show stopping bobs in the past. So it's only right that I run it back. Now, it is My First Wig's 10th anniversary, and I just want to share this little part. In honor of their 10th anniversary, they did send me this picture frame of our first collaboration. And what do you know? It's a bob. And looking at this picture just brought back so many memories. It let me know just how far I've come in my YouTube journey. And it's kind of bittersweet. I just want to thank My First Wig for sending me this picture frame. I'm one of those people who think the thought really counts. And I felt like this was a very thoughtful gesture. Back to the unit. So this is the unit I'm reviewing today. So this unit does come with the lace already pre-cut. It does have a removable, adjustable elastic band. And it also comes with an adjustable drawstring in the back for a perfect fit. And one comb on each side. And of course, it comes with My First Wig Swiss lace. So let me go ahead and try this unit on and see what we're working with. So to put the unit on, I am going to adjust this elastic band and I'm going to adjust the drawstring. Okay, so one thing I love is the fact that it already comes parted with a side part. You guys know I'm team side part, and I love it when I don't have to recreate the part. Now, it is a right side part. I usually have my parts on the left, but we're going to rock it like this today. So this is a 13 by 6 unit, which means it's 13 inches across and 6 inches of part and space to the back. Now, I am going to slightly trim around the ear tabs just so it could give me more of a flush fit. So as you guys can see, fresh out the box, it's already giving. Like the lace is lacing and it's giving me a really natural look. Of course, the roots need to be pressed because that's a must for everyone's wig install. Unless it's braids, I don't care. We're going to always press those roots. So let's go ahead and do that. I really love an easy install. This wig is about done. I love that. I love it. I love it. Look at this lace, y'all. Child, get into it. If you want, you could spray it down with some hairspray, but you don't have to because as you can see, the hair covers both sides. This unit will most likely fit really flush without having to spray anything if you just tie it down. So if you tie it down and leave it for about 10 or 15 minutes, it should lay down on its own. But I'm not going to worry about that because the way I'm wearing it, you can't see the edges anyway. So I'm just going to rebump these edges and I'm going to also show you guys how to blend this lace because this seems to be one of the main trouble points from a lot of y'all is not getting that lace to blend. Now, even though this lace looks exceptional straight out the box, so it doesn't require much, not all laces is going to look like this. That's why you got to invest a little bit of money to get a proper unit. But luckily, this is a really affordable unit, so you ain't got to invest too much. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to perfect the lace melt. As you guys can see, this lace blends already really well. So what you want to make sure you do is you find a concealer that's one shade darker than your skin tone. The foundation I use is kind of like it oxidized a little bit. So I'm going to use this one. This one has been the perfect one for me now because it blends in with my skin tone and it also does a really good job in blending the lace. I'll have it linked if you're interested in trying it out. They have them in different shades. I also use this as my foundation on my face. So I'm going to lightly tap it on the brush and I'm going to add it to the forehead. Most foundations I don't like adding to the lace, but this particular one works like a charm. So I'm going to just brush it along the edges. And then you can take your melting band and tie it down for about 5 minutes. So dolls, it's late. I literally left that elastic band on for 5 minutes. Obviously, the longer you leave the elastic band on, the more the lace is going to melt in with your skin. But this is pretty much all you need to do, guys. Get you a nice foundation, an elastic band, and you should be good to go. So basically, guys, this is what this unit is looking like. And I am just in love with the fact that this was such an easy to install unit. It is super beginner friendly. You don't really have to do much. I love that. I love units that don't require much but still serves the looks, right? One thing I really love about Bob units is the fact that they're so versatile. You could wear them for any occasion. It's always going to fit the bill. If you have a casual look, you could wear it like how I'm wearing it right now. If you want to dress it up, you can add a little bump to the top and change out the earrings, and you'll be serving classic chic. Regardless of the occasion, the Bob always delivers. So if you don't have a trusty throw in and go unit in your collection, you need to get you one of those, right? You need to get your hands on these. This is perfect. Somebody shows up at your door unannounced, throw the unit on. You're still gonna be serving looks. No one would know the wiser. You need a unit to throw on to go to the gym? Grab this unit, throw it on, and get your workout on. And best of all, this is a lightweight unit. You guys can see how lightweight it is, and it hangs off your shoulder, so it's nice and cool. It's not going to keep you hot. And it's a My First Wig unit, so you're going to get good quality. And best of all, this unit is priced just right. So dolls, as always, I'm going to have everything linked in the description box down below. But before we get out of here, please guys, give me a name for this beauty. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed in my last video. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. Dolls, if you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. And if you're not already part of the fam, hit that subscribe button before you leave. And while you're at it, check out these videos. You might enjoy them as well. As always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.